Hey, it's Max, and today we're talking about Newton's laws of motion. Let's say you're on a skateboard, cruising down a smooth, flat road. If you're not doing anything, you'll just keep moving forward at a constant speed. This is because of Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. In simpler terms, this means that an object will keep doing what it's doing unless something else interferes. In the case of the skateboarder, there's no external force acting on them, so they keep moving at a steady pace. But what happens when there is an external force? Let's add some unbalanced forces into the mix. Say you hit a small rock on the road while skateboarding. This sudden obstacle creates an unbalanced force, which causes you to stop moving abruptly. This is because Newton's second law of motion comes into play. This law states that the more force you apply to an object, the more it will accelerate. And the heavier the object, the harder it is to move. In our skateboarding analogy, the rock creates an unbalanced force that stops the skateboarder's motion, because the force of the rock is greater than the force of the skateboarder's weight and velocity combined. This sudden force causes the skateboarder to stop moving, and maybe even fall off their board. But let's say the skateboarder is really skilled, and able to jump over the rock without falling off. In that case, the skateboarder's muscles are applying an unbalanced force to their body and board, allowing them to change their motion and jump over the obstacle. So, to sum up, Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest, or in motion, will remain that way unless acted upon by an external force. And Newton's second law of motion states that the more force you apply to an object, the more it will accelerate, and the heavier the object, the harder it is to move. In skateboarding terms, this means that a skateboarder will keep moving at a steady pace unless an external force, like a rock, stops them, and they can change their motion by applying unbalanced forces with their muscles. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.